It's answering that and looking them in the eye and saying it, and maybe not just once, but continuing to do that. And I know, I think the interesting thing is that happens so often in our relationship. Maybe it's one person doing it in a season and then another in a different season, or together you can both do it. Like, I know when Joey and I were trying to have kids, he was the one that would look at me and say that, because
because of that long conversation we had earlier in the show about Texas and Alabama.
92, and we rebuilt it and renamed it Rocky Mountain Gateway. So it's at the
for everybody that's on your Christmas or holiday gift list. It's one-stop shopping.
Si te lastimaste en el trabajo, tu empleador debe pagar por todos tus tratamientos médicos, su sueldo perdido y concederle una compensación. No importa quién fue.
With one spot available, if things play out the way we think they're going to play out, with one spot available between undefeated ACC champ Florida State. What do you have?
In harm's way. We must also therefore be accountable for caring when they need some help. The Green
to rush you out your free bottle of Krill 50 Plus to try for yourself. And that's what's exciting about this. You get to try it for yourself. With the shipping being 100% refundable, it's a win-win, really. So remember, Krill Omega 50, it features these tiny power-packed soft gels, which are...
Is that the next day, at some point, probably at 8 o'clock at night.
Yeah, when the kids are asleep.
Everyone might follow. You know, wait till the end of the day to bring that conflict back up. But what happens when it's